Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. It's a beautiful day today. It's actually really too hot, but yes, on today's video it's a vlog. Yes, I've got my whole family. The hubby is here, the daughter and the son, and the little one is here. So yeah, we're going out today to a fun fair. It's like a yearly fun fair that comes in the area called the Hoppings. So every spring, May, like bank holiday May, everyone just goes there to have a great time. So we're going there today, taking the kids so they can go on the rides and have fun in the park and all that. So yeah, I thought I'd share it with you guys. So if you're interested to see how we get on with the day, let's get this day started. But before we proceed, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. As always, you know, join this team so we can grow together and make it great. Yes, and thank you in advance for that. But first of all, we're gonna pop to the local Asda to get some drinks and stuff because this heat, oh my god. So we're gonna go there, buy some stuffs, and then we'll start going there. It's not far, but first of all, I think I'm gonna go to my sister's as well, just to see what the kids are doing and if they want to come along as well, because I think they might want to come along. So we'll see them and then we'll pop over there because they live just along the way. It's not far away at all, so yeah. Trying to get some drinks and stuff like that because it's just too hot not to have a drink, man. So here we are, and daddy gone to get some drinks and stuff. So Shen is singing. What are you singing? What are you singing, Baba? You're not singing anymore. Check out his little shoe. He's the cutest thing ever. Yes. That is so cute. Your singing is so cool. Wow, you can sing. Yeah, this is Shen all day long. But yes, we're waiting for daddy to come out, and then we just headed to my sister real quick and then to the fun fair. So something is going on. I'm not sure what it is, but normally people park at the main entrance, like the main place where the hopping takes place. But today is the road is closed and people are running helter skelter, really. So we managed to come and park in the street far away. So yeah, that's what it's gonna be. We're just gonna have to walk over there. But I'm really not sure what's going on today. I don't know. It's a little bit different from last year because you normally always park in there. I mean, I see some cars there, but I don't know how they got in. So we're just getting out now. That's my girl. Are you excited or nervous?
I'm excited.
Go on then. Say it for yourself. Make tempo change. There you go. Up you go. Up you go. Have fun. I'm not coming. Keep going. Just gonna watch her. Are you going on any ride? You gonna go on any ride? Not really, no.
Sorry, Rick. This is not what I'm saying.
Huh?
These are bells.
No, they will start it before they drive. They don't normally just go without starting it. Check, they want to go on this one. He won't go by himself. Huh? I said you can go with him though. You can go in maybe something like that. You can go on something like that with him and it's alright. What do you think? You wanna go on that one, Baba? You'll be alright. You'll be just fine. It's so hot. Going up the hill. It's not that bad. He's like, oh my god. He's not even waiting on us. Don't give a shit about us. Oh, look, it goes round and goes round. Come up there. How would it be? Gotta go fast. I'm tired of doing it. You wanna come out? Wait, what was that? You wanna go again? She just came out. She wanna go again. Not on the same ride. You can buy something else good on the bumper cars or whatever.
Mum, can I try and hook a fish?
That you want. Hook it though. You're not gonna be able to hook it. It's impossible.
It's not impossible. I remember Dorothy did it and actually did it.
And he got it. What did
And
he
they
do?
won a goldfish.
A what?
We won a goldfish. Remember when you tried that? You
Where is this water though? What? She got it. Stop! What you gonna get then?
Yeah, can I go? These ones the one for. Oh yeah, can I have one of them? Which one? Anymore.
What did you get in? What did you get?
A squishy.
Is that squishy?
Yes. My life has a.
Shane's gonna go on his very first ever ride. He's like, what is going on here? It's already spinning them. Oh, don't make it too fast. Just smile. There you go. Your very first ride. Oh, you love it. You're gonna love it. Where you go? He's gonna love it. Whee! I bet he loves it. Oh, look at him. He loves it. Yeah, he's loving it. He's loving it. Good boy. He's so loving it. So we've been to the fun fair. It's just crazy in there. So we came out to have a bit of a break, have something to eat, and the guys are playing. So here is the fun fair across there, and we're just sitting right opposite it. And the sun has just gone a bit. Why are you hiding on my back? She's having fun. And I've got stuff all over my mouth. Great. But yeah, I'm waiting for my friend. She called me and said that she's looking for parking, so maybe she will get here. No, we'll see. But yeah, so far so good. It seems like a lot of fun. The kids are really enjoying themselves. Shen had his first ride. I'm gonna insert the video so you can see. That was the cutest thing ever. What is he doing now? What are you doing now? Go on this side. So the kids are playing, so we're just chilling. Boy, are you even 13 yet? How old are you? Hi guys, so that's it pretty much. We have just literally left the place, and yeah, spent a lot of time with my family, and we had a good time really. So time to go home now. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you do like it, leave your comment down below so that I can bring more. There is so much to do really. But yes, that's it pretty much. Thank you, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye bye. What are you saying? Crazy.